When I was in high school, the last thing that was on my mind was going off to college. I pretty much thought about just going right into the workforce, maybe getting a job at General Motors. A person who didn't even think about going to school, and now the college that he went to, he's receiving one of the most honored awards. So that's great. The grace of God, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. So I just thank God that I was able to find him, and he led me in the right direction to be where I'm at right now. The job that I have, I work with students all over the world, and I think he just wanted me to make sure that I take good care of them and making sure that they fulfill their dreams in higher education. There were many people at Saginaw Valley that supported me while I was a student there, but the person who definitely stands out the most is my track coach, Doug Hansen. When Doug recruited me to come to Saginaw Valley, he pretty much shared with what he expected out of me. And to be honest with you, he never let up on me throughout those 4 years at Saginaw Valley. And I just want to thank him for doing that, because as a college student, yes, you can get off on the wrong track. But he kept me looking straight forward, and I'm glad that I'm where I'm at right now. While at Saginaw Valley, I was able to build and work on my leadership skills, and now as an adult, I feel that the leadership skills that I have portrayed since leaving Saginaw Valley has led to others to become very successful. I feel that that has helped me out a lot, to where individuals who are up under me, those leadership skills that I have shown them, they're taking those on forth now and taking on leadership roles also at Kettering University. The advice that I would give to a Saginaw Valley student or a student here at Kettering University would be stay focused. When you guys take off to go off to college, put your eye on the prize, and that prize is walking across that graduation stage. So if you stay focused, you can make it.